Welcome back to Bootleg Garage, guys. And guess what we got in the mail today? We got Burton Racing Coil and Plug Kit. Shout out to them for giving me some extra goodies too. Also got some valve seals from SuperTech. And we got the coils, but this is just from a parts car we parted out a while back. But today, we're going to be installing this on to my GSR. Because as you guys seen in the previous video, when we went to Vegas, we were having just a lot of issues with it sputtering and everything. I think it's because the distributor just doesn't have enough spark anymore, considering at the horsepower levels we're getting to and boost levels too. It just can't keep up anymore. But yeah, first things first, we're going to pull the ECU out the car and then try to wire everything up. Alright, we're in the car. As you can see, I got my ECU tucked up there. I think it's just 110, and then it just falls down and just unplug all the there it is. See, put the cover off. I think now all we gotta do is I actually don't know. Let me go read the instructions. What we gotta do now is we're gonna desolder all these. You can see it, all these joints right there from FC1, I think. Yeah, all of those, and then you just gotta solder in that little piece they give you, shown in the picture. Well guys, as you can see, I got it soldered in right there, and underneath the board right there, took out all the junk out the distributor. As you can see, I use so many tools. But now, I'm going to remove that distributor over there, and a D-pin, I think 2 wires, I think it should be good. And I just bolted the ECU back into the car. You can see it. Let's go to the outside. Also plug distributor right there. Got those 2 plugged in. Also got it grounded right there. So let's see if it starts. guys, as you saw in the previous clip, we got the car running. It seems like idle is a little bit smoother. Like usually with the lock VTEC, it'd be kind of choppy and all. But with the coil and plug kit, it seems like it runs really smooth. Haven't test drove it yet because I'm still waiting to get the coil and plug plate and the block off cap for this. Because for the plate, all these coils keep bouncing up and down, and I don't want to break it by the coils vibrating so much. But yeah, that's about it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out, like, comment, and subscribe.